Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to just show you how to find the days of the week, the month, and the year from a given date. So we have this date here. This is just from the 1st of February 2024 to the 15th of February 2024. So we want to get the days of the dates. So when I say days, I mean like the days of the week, Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on. So depending on what you have, we're just going to duplicate this to this way using Control R. That's control right. So I'm going to now select each of them. So I'm doing the days now. So you just highlight all the days, then click on Control 1. This pop-up comes up, you go to the custom and then you highlight, you edit this type. Because it's days, you're just going to write 4Ds, and then you see that it's already giving you a sample that the 1st of February 2024 is a Thursday. So you just click on OK and then it edits it and then it updates everything. So moving on to the month, I'm just going to use Control Shift and the down arrow to highlight everything. Control 1 to bring out the format cell, then I'll click on custom. So because it's the month that I'm looking at, I'm going to type 4Ms just like this. And then if you look at the sample also, it's showing you February, and then just click on OK. So because it's the month of February for all of them, so that's why we have February here. Assuming we just want to change this to probably 3, which is March. Then going over to the year, so we're just going to use Control Shift and down to select everything, and then use Control 1, and then we're going to go back to custom, and then this time around we want to edit the year, so we just type here, and the sample is already showing us 2024, so you click on OK, and there you go. So moving on to the second example, assuming it's not something you can just duplicate into the columns. So what you can do is just to use this formula equal to, you're going to bring up the text, which converts a value to a specific number format. So now you need the value and then you need the format text. These are the attributes that you need. So now for the value, I'm going to select the date, and then so for the format type, I want this to be day. So I'm just going to put the apostrophe to open it. So for the day, I'm going to type 4Ds, and then I'm going to close this and then also close my bracket and click on enter. So you can just double click here and this brings it all the way down. So for the month, it's going to be the same thing, something similar. Text, select your value, then open up your apostrophe, and then you click on month. That's 4Ms. So this, it's usually going to be 4 because this is the format that Excel takes it in. So for the year, I'm going to put text and then the value, which is still our date. So for the year, I'm just going to write year. I just decided to use cap lock so that you see that it still works regardless. So you click enter. So I'm just going to select both of them and voila. So this is what you have. There are other ways you can do this, but these are like two very simple ones I want to show you today. Thank you so much for staying put, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.